Let's cover Java formats. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Java formats in a Java easily. So I'm just going to explain you how it works, and formatting is super useful to print data in a clean way. For example, in this video, we have printf right here. So system.out.printf. What it does is it is used to display integers, floats, and strings in a structured format. Suppose we have an integer, a float, and a string. So in this video we have integer, double, and a string right here. So we have created its numbers for it, where integers are for numbers, double are for decimal numbers, and string are for letters and words. So we use system.out.printf or system.out.println, any one of these two work. We can write hello minus integer 42 and float 3.14. The modulus as placeholder inserts strings. The modulus t is for integers, and the modulus the 2f is for floats. So as you can see right here, we have written it. So you can just simply run this code to see the results, and there you go. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.